When Desktop Metal was founded, the goal was bold: to change how the world thinks about 3D printing with metal. Desktop Metal proved that manufacturing can move beyond prototypes and into real production environments. Today, the conversation has changed because technology alone isn't enough. At Arc Impact, we have incredible technology driven by a dedicated team. But what we deliver is so much more than 3D printers. We focus on solving real problems for real applications in the real world. Our customers don't come to us asking for just machines. They come to us asking how to scale, how to reduce risk in their supply chains, how to get from concept to production with confidence. Our AM2 production strategy is designed to de-risk your investment with a clear, proven pathway to industrial scalability. We offer customized partnership models, so whether you're validating feasibility or ramping to full-scale manufacturing, we meet you where you are. We provide lifetime support, ensuring your application doesn't just work once, but works every time. And through solutions-based manufacturing, we take on the hard problems: integration, materials, and process challenges, so you don't have to alone. Desktop Metal showed us what was possible. Arc Impact makes it practical and scalable for the long term, because manufacturing isn't about machines, it's about results. And that's the impact we are here to deliver.